G'day, g'day. Completely forgot about recording, but we're here. We made it to the Gold Coast. And this is our apartment. Not bloody bad at all. As soon as we landed, it started raining, but we got the scenes. Yeah, bougie. So anyway, we're about to get a quick feed and then we're going to head straight to Queensland Raceway where we're going to go see Benny. He reckons there's a drift comp on, so straight into the action. Let's go. Some serious traffic in this joint. Hey, that the f you are, mate. Not bad. Pretty mint cars here. Quite packed as well. One JS15. Night's over. 10 o'clock. This place is sick. Night drifting goes off. Damn. Just heading back to Gold Coast. Pit stop at McDonald's. So we're like in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know where we are. Where?
We're in Ripley.
Oh, okay. We're somewhere.
Fuck knows where that is.
Brisbane somewhere. But crazy, we're just in McDonald's and we had someone come up to us who's actually a subscriber, which is pretty crazy considering we're over here in Australia and not even at the track or anything, just at a random McDonald's. And turns out he's actually the one who owns the R34, which I just recorded, so.
Oh, there's a Supra over there.
Where?
Oh, over there.
Is it a cool one or what?
Might be.
What is that? Is that a Supra?
Here's the Bros R34.
There's the boys. Look at this. I wake up to this guy. Bloody war zone. Dropping into the AO while we're bloody 30 stories up here in the GC. Well, that's another day. Didn't really talk much about Queensland Raceway last night, but it was so sick. The vibe there is unreal. Night drifting is so mean. Yeah, we were so tired. Didn't really do much and fell asleep. So anyway, Benny's invited us to go on his Jetboat and go to some drift carts and stuff, so we're heading there now. But yeah, we caught up with Benny and the boys last night. Good bants. Let's go.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Nothing wanted me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's ice. I got wifey on, thinking she icy. Free, photo, please, no photos. No, please, no photos. Hit the door and the dumb and just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I overproduce saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town when you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets down. Run it down.
Look at Gaza. Trains hissing.
One is thrown off, but not too much for it, like. Yeah, it's weird like the range of movement is moving as well.
Bloody Australia. Look at them.
It's like on the plane, it's actually quite a big car.
This thing's sick. Jazz is having a drive. Honestly, that thing is insane. I think Benny said it's a 300 horse jet ski motor, supercharged, and it's just, it is a weapon. I'm soaked. We weren't quite planning for this, I don't think, but got the bros down there tinny bashing too. Let's try and zoom in on them. Just went for a rip in this little beast, thanks to Benny. What was it? 310 horsepower.
Yeah.
There she is. Thing goes hard.
It's a weapon.
Me and Gazza got to have a bit of a drive. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's good fun.
Do you want one?
Yeah, I want one now.
But yeah, this thing is so cool. Went way up the river towards surfers. Some unreal scenes. You got a YouTube channel now, don't you?
Somewhat.
Do you want some more subscribers?
Sure. Send them over.
Yeah, I'll put his YouTube somewhere. Go check it out. Well, let's go. Well, I'm about to go on these drift carts. Pretty well known place. Just dropping the boat off, thought we'd come check out the workshop. Got an Evo here. What is it, an 8 or 9?
Yeah, 8 model.
Pretty nice. 6 boost manifold and a few goodies there. CNC cutting machine. It's another Jetboat he's building. And this pretty crazy Integra. Whole lot of fabrication he's doing on this. Turbo. Might take those equips. But yeah, usually he's got his other cars here. If you didn't know, he's got a 4-rotor RX-7. Go on his channel, you'll be able to see that. Not a bad little spot here.
Yeah, it's 50,000 PSI. It actually breaks the sound
All
out
these
when it starts.
CNC
Yeah.
all-wheel drive, in case you guys didn't notice. She's pretty extreme. Look at this. He reckons he got bored one day. That must have been time consuming.
Somebody else. I think they know this. Bang the salvos out of every knife and fork down.
He's quickly whipping something up. The logo. I'm gonna fire up the CNC and see it in action. Bloody wood as well.
Right. There you go, you can pull it off.
End result. That's cool. That is so sick.
Fuck, it does mean top too.
Yeah, so it leaves like a little bit of a curve. Usually just hit it with like a orbital sander on the back.
Yeah.
Just to knock the edge off.
So that's 2 mil and it operates at 50,000 PSI.
We went a little
Jeez.
fast. Cool.
It's for the RX-7. And what, you done that all yourself?
Yeah,
What engine was going in the car?
that's a J6000 with a T28.
Going into this. Far out. Alright, forgot to film an outro yesterday because it was just a full-on day with Benny. Absolute legend for doing some activities with us. So yeah, if you didn't know, he's actually in the Hot Wheels team. Got a drift and VF ute. He's got a FD 4-rotor, heaps of crazy builds. He does some insane stuff, so go check out his Instagram and his YouTube channel. But yeah, we ended up going out to nightclubs last night, which are just down there, very close by to our crib. And now I've woken up with a sore lid, but it's a good experience nonetheless. So I'm not sure what kind of footage we got. It was a bit hard to record properly. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and more to come. Loving the Queensland life.